Hey there, it's Nancy Jetton, and this is my dog Champion. Isn't he adorable? I wanted to shoot this video real quick because I know you've been taking an interest in the Joint Venture Insider Circle, and I want you to make a decision about what's next. I know when I joined, the whole world opened up for me. I started doing business with people that I just admired from afar, and now they're calling me by name, and we're partnering together. And my list, my impact, my influence, and my income have grown dramatically, as has my confidence. And these are the kinds of things that I want for you. So what is stopping you? I think you either make a yes, 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 which is what I've done, or you say no, and that's okay. But when you say yes, great things happen. And I just want to invite you to do that tonight by midnight, because it's now or never. The doors are closing to Joint Venture Insider Circle, and they won't be opening the doors for another 6 months. And the benefit of doing it now is you can get JV ready in time for the best event of the year, JVX. I've met some of my best friends, my best partners, and wonderful things have happened in my business. I would wish the same for you, and I'd love to meet up with you in person. So come on along, join JVIC tonight by midnight. You'll be so glad you did. Champ, right? All right, thank you. Bye-bye.